Other than that, leave me the fuck alone, nigga. James Prince can't tell me shit, nigga. Because hey man, James Prince, nigga, fuck James Prince. And whatever nigga want to sit down and think, I ain't got no motherfucking daddy, nigga. But if my mama calls and say, son, let's sit down and talk. Yes, ma'am, mama, I'll be over there in a minute. If my bro called and said, I need to sit down and talk, we go sit down and talk. I want to sit down and talk to now swinging, big, hairy leg, funky ass nigga.
He got into it with Dr. Umar Johnson.
Yeah, he a fraud too.
With Dr. Umar Johnson?
Yeah, man, y'all know he a fraud.
Y'all kind of preach some of the same things, though.
Well, I ain't begging for money. See, that was, yeah. Now I ain't saying a nigga don't say no real shit, but man, he done been caught with a stripper hoe. He been begging for money about a school he ain't got built. Yeah, man, he went off on a rampage one time. They thought the nigga was crazy. No, man, I ain't done none of that, homie. Yeah, man, I ain't flopped yet. Let me just say that, yeah, I ain't flopped yet, man. Yeah, they got at least let me flop before they, bash me, but yeah, I ain't flopped yet. So I called the California Department of Correction and said, hey, it's an inmate in there, and I lied. I said, he calling and he threatening me, and I'm scared for my life. Yeah, I told a lie. But he got a cell phone, so it don't matter that I lied. They caught him with the phone. Tell one of them straight hair, stringy hair motherfuckers, they got fur, we got hair. Tell them to sit one of their sisters down next to a stove, put some grease in her hair, and put some hot comb on that bitch head, and see if Chimichan sue her, see what it do, see what her hair smell like. Tell them go to any workplace in America and go in the break room and find a nigga eating out a Chinese man bowl. You got rap rivalries. You ain't got no opposition, nigga. Y'all ain't boom, 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 boom. You shot at some niggas that broke into your house. Anybody? No, that's a gimme. Yeah, that's a gimme. Nigga, you went to California and became a blood. And you ain't been, them niggas battle tested. You ain't battle tested, soldier. To get to where them niggas go, nigga, to talk how you talking, you got to die. Cause guess what? You wasn't a killer, a now nigga. So you can't pop your collar, you can't toot your horn, you can't pat your ass, nigga. You ain't threw a punch at them niggas. You ain't known for being gangster. You can't get to where you at now, nigga, and get gangster when you came out Ewing. I said I told on my cousin. I wouldn't give a fuck if you told on the dog. You told. Man, I told on my dead cousin. Homie, listen, I thought you don't talk to the police. What the fuck? Why I need to be telling anything to the police about my dead cousin? I thought we don't talk to the police. Fuck you, white boy. Suck my dick, bitch. Where them niggas at? I thought we don't talk to the police. We are assassinating. A young rapper can't even come up, homie. First thing they're gonna say, look how little his chain is. Baby Youngin had to come out and say, nah, man, this is my startup chain. Why do he have to do that, homie? Because he's being attacked for just wanting to be regular. That boy, King Slime, got a song where he say, we gonna go to trial and tell the judge something. They played that in court. What happened? If you have on a Louis Vuitton hat, that ain't real Louis Vuitton. They're gonna start attacking. Once you make it to where they can see you, here come the assassination. Here come the crucifixions. They come to tear you down. They not come to cheer you on.